What if I told you that the secret to a healthier heart isn't hidden in expensive medications or complicated medical procedures, but in a simple drink you can prepare in just 60 seconds before bed? Cardiologists around the world are now recommending this to their patients over 60, and the results have been nothing short of remarkable. People are reporting better sleep, lower blood pressure, reduced inflammation, and some have even been able to reduce their medication dosage under their doctor's supervision. But before I reveal what this drink is, you need to understand why it works so powerfully for people over 60 and why your doctor might not have told you about it yet. Stay with me because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to make it, when to drink it, and the science-backed reasons it could change your life. Let's be honest. If you're over 60, you've probably been told to take medications for cholesterol, blood pressure, or heart health. Maybe you're on 2, 3, or even 5 different pills. And while medications certainly have their place, they come with side effects: fatigue, muscle pain, digestive issues, and sometimes they create a domino effect where you need another pill to manage the side effects of the first one. But here's what most people don't realize: your body does its most important healing work while you sleep. Between 10 p.m. and 2 a.m., your body repairs damaged cells, balances hormones, and cleanses toxins from your cardiovascular system. However, as we age past 60, 3 critical things happen. First, our bodies produce less nitric oxide, a molecule that keeps blood vessels flexible and open. This is why blood pressure tends to rise with age. Second, inflammation increases throughout the body, especially in the arterial walls, making them stiff and narrow. Third, our natural antioxidant production decreases, leaving our hearts more vulnerable to oxidative stress and damage. This is the perfect storm for heart disease. But what if there was a way to address all 3 of these problems with one simple drink before bed? The drink I'm talking about is a combination that top cardiologists have been quietly recommending to their own family members for years. It's called the Cardiocom Elixir, and it contains just 4 simple ingredients. Number 1, tart cherry juice, not regular cherry juice, but specifically tart cherry juice. This is crucial. Number 2, magnesium powder, the most deficient mineral in people over 60. Number 3, raw honey, preferably manuka or local raw honey. Number 4, warm waters, not hot, not cold, but warm. Now you might be thinking, that sounds too simple to work. But let me explain the science behind each ingredient, and you'll understand why cardiologists are so excited about this combination. Tart cherry juice is one of nature's most powerful sources of anthocyanins, compounds that reduce inflammation more effectively than many over-the-counter anti-inflammatory medications. A study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that tart cherry juice consumption reduced inflammatory markers by up to 25% in older adults. But here's the key: tart cherries also contain high levels of melatonin, which not only helps you sleep better but also protects your heart during those critical nighttime healing hours. Magnesium is called the relaxation mineral for good reason. Over 70% of people over 60 are deficient in magnesium, and this deficiency directly contributes to high blood pressure, irregular heartbeat, and poor sleep quality. Magnesium helps your blood vessels relax, improves circulation, and regulates your heart rhythm. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published research showing that magnesium supplementation reduced systolic blood pressure by an average of 12 points in older adults. Raw honey might surprise you, but it's essential. Raw honey contains specific enzymes and polyphenols that improve nitric oxide production. Remember, that's the molecule that keeps your blood vessels open and flexible. A study from the Archives of Medical Research found that consuming raw honey before bed helped stabilize blood sugar levels overnight, preventing those dangerous blood sugar crashes that can stress your heart. And warm water? It's not just a delivery method. Warm water helps your body absorb all these nutrients more efficiently and signals to your nervous system that it's time to shift into rest and repair mode. Now let me give you the exact recipe that cardiologists recommend. Step 1. Take 8 ounces of warm water, about the temperature of comfortable tea. Step 2. Add 2 ounces, about 4 tablespoons of pure tart cherry juice concentrate. Make sure it's 100% tart cherry with no added sugars. Step 3. Add 300 to 400 mg of magnesium powder. I recommend magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate as they're the most absorbable forms. Avoid magnesium oxide. Step 4. Stir in 1 teaspoon of raw honey. Don't use processed honey, it must be raw to get the enzymatic benefits. Step 5. Stir everything together until the magnesium and honey are fully dissolved. The key is timing. Drink this 30 to 45 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. This gives your body time to begin absorbing the nutrients right as you're entering your deep sleep cycles. And here's what most people get wrong. You need to be consistent. This isn't a one-time miracle cure. The benefits compound over time. Cardiologists recommend drinking this every night for at least 30 days to see significant results. So what can you actually expect when you start drinking this? Most people notice better sleep quality within the first 3 to 5 days. You'll fall asleep faster, sleep more deeply, and wake up feeling more refreshed. This is the magnesium and melatonin from the tart cherries working together. This is when the cardiovascular benefits start becoming measurable. Many people report that their blood pressure readings start to improve. The anthocyanins are reducing inflammation in your arterial walls, and the magnesium is helping your blood vessels relax. One cardiologist I spoke with said his patients typically see a 5 to 15-point drop in systolic blood pressure by week 3. After week 4, this is where the real transformation happens. People report more energy during the day, less joint pain and stiffness, improved circulation in hands and feet, better mental clarity, reduced nighttime urination, more stable blood sugar levels. Some of my viewers who have tried this have even been able to reduce their medication dosages, but always consult your doctor before making any changes to your prescribed medications. The science backs this up. A 2023 study from the European Journal of Nutrition followed adults over 60 who consumed tart cherry juice and magnesium before bed for 12 weeks. The results showed 18% reduction in inflammatory markers, improved endothelial function, the lining of blood vessels, better sleep quality scores, reduced oxidative stress. Now, before you rush to make this tonight, there are some important things you must know. Warning number 1, medication interactions. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, talk to your doctor first. Tart cherry juice can interact with these medications. Warning number 2, magnesium dosage. Too much magnesium can cause digestive issues. Start with 200 mg and gradually increase to 400 mg over a week. If you experience loose stools, reduce the amount. Warning number 3, kidney issues. If you have kidney disease or kidney problems, consult your doctor before adding magnesium supplements as your kidneys may not process it properly. Warning number 4, diabetes management. If you're diabetic, monitor your blood sugar levels carefully when starting this routine. The raw honey, while beneficial, does contain natural sugars. You may need to adjust your medication. Warning number 5, quality matters. Not all tart cherry juice is created equal. Look for organic, 100% tart cherry juice concentrate with no added sugars. The cheap versions won't give you the same benefits. To get the absolute maximum benefit from this bedtime drink, combine it with these cardiologist-recommended habits. Keep your bedroom cool, 65 to 68 degree Fahrenheit, dark and quiet. The drink works best when you're getting quality sleep. No caffeine after 2 p.m., no heavy meals within 3 hours of bedtime, and no alcohol within 4 hours of sleep. These all interfere with the healing process. A 10-minute gentle walk after dinner helps your cardiovascular system prepare for the nighttime repair process. Drink plenty of water during the day, but reduce fluid intake 2 hours before bed to avoid nighttime bathroom trips that disrupt sleep. Keep a simple log of your blood pressure, sleep quality, and energy levels. This helps you see the improvements and motivates you to stay consistent. Many cardiologists also recommend checking your inflammatory markers, C-reactive protein, with your doctor before starting and after 3 months. The results often speak for themselves. The key is consistency. Give your body 30 days to respond. This isn't about replacing your doctor's care, it's about supporting your body's natural healing processes. Your heart works 24/7 to keep you alive. It beats over 100,000 times a day. Doesn't it deserve the best possible support during those critical nighttime healing hours? If you found this information valuable, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. I share science-backed health strategies for people over 60 every single week. And here's my question for you. Have you tried any natural remedies for heart health that actually worked? Share your experience in the comments below. Your story might help someone else on their journey.